The ferry from Long Island City to Wall Street Pier 11 is a convenient and scenic way to travel between Queens and Lower Manhattan, operated by NYC Ferry. This route is popular for commuters as well as tourists looking to enjoy views of the East River and New York City's skyline. Starting point: Long Island City, Hunters Point South. Destination: Wall Street Pier 11. Stops along the way, depending on the specific route and time of day. The ferry may stop at various locations, including East 34th Street in Manhattan, Stuyvesant Cove in Manhattan, Corler's Hook in Manhattan, Dumbo in Brooklyn, Governor's Island. Seasonal ferries generally run every 20-30 minutes during peak hours on weekdays. During off-peak hours and weekends, the frequency may be reduced. The trip from Long Island City to Wall Street Pier 11 typically takes about 35-45 minutes, depending on the number of stops. Standard fare $4 per ride as of the latest update. Monthly pass $121 for unlimited rides. You can pay using the NYC Ferry app, which allows for mobile ticketing, or by purchasing a ticket at the vending machines available at ferry landings. Both indoor and outdoor seating is available. The outdoor upper deck offers panoramic views of the city. Free Wi-Fi is available on the ferry. Light snacks and beverages can be purchased on board. NYC Ferry vessels are fully accessible, with space for wheelchairs and strollers. Bicycles are allowed on the ferry for an additional $1 fee. Tips for your trip: for the best views, especially for sightseeing, head to the upper deck. Rush hour: expect larger crowds during weekday morning and evening rush hours. If you're looking for a more relaxed experience, consider traveling during off-peak times. The ferry operates in most weather conditions, but services can be affected by severe weather. The app provides real-time schedules, a map of routes, and ticket purchasing options. It's recommended to download it for a smooth experience. Each landing is equipped with electronic signage displaying real-time arrival information. This ferry route offers a scenic alternative to the subway, with the added benefit of seeing some of New York's iconic landmarks from the water.